Okay guys, in this lesson we are going to learn in or not in Python. What does it mean in or not in, and how we can, and what is the usage of in or not in? Okay, first of all, in or not ins are Python keywords. The usage of them is to check a certain character and present or not present in a string. We are using in or not in. Okay guys, it seems to be useful for us. Let's see how we can use them on a string. As a normal, just we need to create a variable. Okay, name okay guys, now let's see how we can use in or not and see what is the result. Okay, as you see here in terminal, true. Of course, why it's true? Because of course it will return a boolean. We will learn a little bit more about the boolean in future video. What's our boolean? True or false. If something exists, it will return true. If something not exists, it will return a false here in terminal. It means that t exists. T is there in your first variable here in the name. T exists. Okay, let's see a little bit more how we can use more in detail. Let's use with if and else classes. Don't worry about if and else class. We will learn it a little bit more about this, and you will explain. I will explain you more what are if and else. You will learn it perfectly. So let's start and see how we can use them with if class and else class. We can use them with a little bit more detail. Okay, to use with if and else. Let's create if and pass t, our string, the first t in name. Okay, if t exists, if, as I told you, don't worry about if and else classes right now. You will learn in future videos. If t exists in the name, that t is there. T is there. Okay, else if t was not there, what Python going to do for us? Else print that t is not found. Print not found. Okay, let's comment this one, this last line, boolean, and see the result, the main result. T is there. Okay guys, as you see here in terminal, t is there. It means t exists in the first line of our code in variable here in line 3. Okay, let's pass another string here to just see that if it's correct or not. I'm gonna pass here s and see that if it's correct or not. Okay, let's pass s and see the result. Okay, as you see here in terminal, t not found. S is not found. Not found. It means there's no any character by the name of s in first variable in line 3. If class went there and checked that s is not there in the first variable in the name, it means there is no exist any character by the name of s. If checked and pass it to else. If is false, if didn't found, then pass it to else. Else went to the name, to the variable, and else checked and saw that there is no any character by the name of s, and it's print you that not found. First line fall, the second line went there and saw that there is no any character by the name of s, and the result that it's print to you not found here in terminal. Not found. Okay guys, let's see how we can let's go with not in. Okay, first we are going to print with the boolean. Let's comment this one and go with the boolean see that if it exists or not. Okay, this one, we're gonna get good with this one. It's really perfect with this even. Not in name. Printing not in name. Okay, let's print this one. I'm sorry, I comment even our variable. Okay, let's print C and the result. False. It means that exists, not in. But no, it exists. The T is there. T is there, not in the name, no, but it's there. Not in is the opposite of in. If something exists and you print, if something exists and you pass not in, the print function will print you, the result will be false. It means that print function, when you pass t exists already in the name, in the variable, then not in here gonna pass false, because this one is false, not in. It means that it exists. Okay, guys, it exists there. If it was not exist, if you pass is, it will be true. If you pass is, now it will be true. Yeah, true, because this one is not exist. Is not exist, but while we pass t was exist. T was there, so that way not in false. Okay, guys, we can use not in even with if function. It's the same as in. We can pass not in even in if and else classes. Dear friend, this was all about in and not in Python keyword. If you like the video, share with your friends, leave some comment, and don't forget, please subscribe the videos, subscribe the channel. Okay guys, see you soon.